What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be bringing you 3 simple tips to get the best at your field trips. Number 1, you've got to be social but independent. You need to get all your work done, you need to get all your research done, everything you have to do on that trip you have to get done. You have to be able to rely on yourself, you have to be able to look within yourself and know you can do this. But also, you need to be social. You need to go hang out with people, you need to do projects together, do your research together, go around and engage with all the scenarios that they throw at you, with your classmates, with your friends. If you don't have many friends on the trips, go out, find someone, hang out, spend your time together. It'll make the trip much more enjoyable and much more productive. Number 2, you gotta soak it up, you gotta take notes. You're gonna forget stuff, we all forget stuff. But you need to soak up that information like a sponge. Take your phone, make notes on your phone and take pictures. Make as much recorded information as possible, so you can always refer back. But the best thing you can do, take a pen and paper, make notes throughout the entire trip. Accompanied by photos is the best way you can be able to remember things. Simply writing it down helps embed it in your memory, and then reading it back and writing it out again, make sure you won't forget anytime soon. Number 3, go on as many trips as possible. These trips are in place to help you learn, to help you grow. They're going to show you things you've never seen, they're going to show you the world. Just in my first 2 semesters, we've been to Ambleside, Birmingham, Claremont, Hanley, Burslem, Media City, and much more. And there's many more on the way. Media Film recently went to New York, and a couple of weeks ago to Hentwood. You need to take these opportunities when you get them. Go on these trips, explore. We can't explore all the known university yet, but you can explore the university and get to know yourself, and get to know the world, and get to know where you want to be in that. So, those are my 3 simple tips to help you make the most of your trips. Hope you enjoyed, and stay safe, guys. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below, and have fun. I'll see you next time, guys. Have a great day.